Let's go to question number 15. It reads like this. If 1 plus tan 1 multiplied by 1 plus tan 2 multiplied by 1 plus tan 3 and so on up to 1 plus tan 45 equals 2 to the power n, calculate the value of n. This is sort of a telescoping product, shall we say. In any such telescoping sum or telescoping product like this, there is something that gives away the trick involved in the question. In this also there is a small trick that's involved, but before we go into the trick, we have to prove one identity, which is my toolkit. The identity is like this. If a plus b equals 45 degrees, remember all these numbers are in degrees for a change. So if a plus b is 45 degrees, the identity is 1 plus tan a multiplied by 1 plus tan b equals 2. So we need to prove this before we start the solution. Let's prove this identity. Let's take 1 plus tan a multiplied by 1 plus tan b. I will go to routinely multiply through this entire expression. So this will give me 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. Okay. Now let me put a bracket, set of brackets here. There is one bracket here and another here, and the whole thing included in a large bracket. Okay. So this is of the form 1 plus something, but at the same time this is 1 plus tan a plus 1 plus tan b equals 2. So we have 1 plus something. So we have to prove that this expression is 1 when a plus b is 45. Let's start from tan a plus b formula. What is tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan a plus tan b whole thing divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. Now a plus b is 45. When a plus b equals 45 degrees, tan a plus b would be 1, right? So tan a plus b equals 1. So this expression becomes 1 equals tan a plus tan b whole thing divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Let's simplify this. Let's multiply both sides by 1 minus tan a tan b. So you have 1 minus tan a tan b equals tan a plus tan b. So let's add tan a plus, rather add tan a multiplied by tan b both sides. You will get 1 equals tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. Right? So this is what we have here. So we just have to take this and substitute here. We will have our answer 1 plus 1 equals 2. So let's take this. So this is, let's take this to here. So that will give me 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we have proved this identity. So we are going to use this to solve our original problem. Let's do it in the next screen. Let's do one thing. Let's rewrite the original problem a bit differently. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add more terms. I'm going to include more terms in this problem. So I'm going to write it as 1 plus tan 1, 1 plus tan 2, 1 plus tan 3. Okay. Now let me add few more terms before 1 plus tan 45. Let me add 1 plus tan 42, 1 plus tan 43, 1 plus tan 44, and finally we have 1 plus tan 45. Okay, just notice we have 1 plus tan 1 and 1 plus tan 44. So we can combine these two. Since it's a product, we can rearrange the terms the way we want. So 1 plus tan 1, we can combine with 1 plus tan 44. Similarly, 1 plus tan 2, I can combine with 1 plus tan 43. So then 1 plus tan 3, I can combine with 1 plus tan 42, and so on. So let me rewrite this as a column instead of in a row. So this would be 1 plus tan 1 multiplied by 1 plus tan 44. Okay, then next 1 plus tan 2 multiplied by 1 plus tan 43. Then 1 plus tan 3 multiplied by 1 plus tan 42. Do you see the pattern? You have tan 1, tan 44. 1, 44. 1 plus 44 is 45. Therefore, tan A plus tan B, where A plus B is 45. Similarly, tan 2, tan 43. 2 plus 43, 45. Tan 3, tan 42. 3 plus 42, 45. Let's say this goes on like this. And let's write one middle term. 1 plus tan 10. And this would be 1 plus tan 35. Okay, let this continue. Then we have 1 plus tan 22, 1 plus tan. If this is 22 here, it should be 23, right? Because 22 plus 23 is 45. What will be the next term? 1 plus tan 23. Let's write the term. 1 plus tan 23 multiplied by 1 plus tan 22, because 23 plus 22 is 45. Is it correct? No, because this term and this term are one and the same. We want to continue beyond 1 plus tan 22 because the terms will start repeating. So we don't need this term. We just don't need this term. We are done? No, not yet, because we are left out with 1 plus tan 45. So we have to 1 plus tan 45 needs to be included. So how many terms are here? 1 plus tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, tan 10 up to tan 22. So there are 22 terms here, right? There are 22 terms here. Now, 1 plus tan A multiplied by 1 plus tan B when tan A plus B is, or rather A plus B is 45. So this term will be 2. This is equal to 2. This is as per this identity, right? So this will be 2. This will be 2. This will be 2. And so on. This will also be 2. And so on. This will also be 2. Then 1 plus tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now, this is 22 terms. So this entire product, this entire product equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and so on multiplied by 2, 22 times. Again, finally, one more 2, because that will be 1 plus tan 45. So this will be 2 power 22, 2 power 22 multiplied by 2 power 1, because 2 can be written as 2 power 1, right? So this will be 2 power 23. law of exponents. So, if this is 2 power n, therefore n equals 23. So, this is our answer. Okay, let's go to question number 16.